Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly AI to improve writing and productivity. So make sure you will be just download this version of the PC. So it is free for the download. You will just read the terms and conditions. So after you will just download it, so I will be just move in my inbox, and if I just write like letter to my boss for the short leave. So when you just download the Grammarly and sign in, so it will just when you just write anything, so it will be just show you some like this icon of Grammarly, and I want to just rewrite with Grammarly. So it will be just I want to just improve my letter, and let's see, it will be just working on it, and I hope it will be just write the better and improved, which is I write. So here you will see. So if you want to just more ideas, or if you want to just make it friendly, so I will again just tap on it, and it will be just again rewrite for the friendly to my boss that I was want to just short leave due to some reasons. Simply just tap on it, this copy result, and just tap to paste it in your inbox. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.